Welcome to my YouTube channel Kundu sir. Here I am with a good news. Different times in the YouTube, I have make an announcement earlier that we are working a large MCQ question bank for which we have given a lot of effort for last 6 months, and this work or the assignment or the plan I have fulfilled with the collaboration of one esteemed organization or educational institution, Delphi Private Limited. The vast question bank with several subjects, numerous MCQ questions is now ready for all. You all can practice the paper, avail the mock test. Our question bank include various subjects, particularly for numerical aptitude, general English, general knowledge, test of reasoning, especially finance and accounts. This question bank is a thousands MCQ questions. We know entire country, entire world has already suffered from COVID for last 2 years. So after a economic depression, we are expecting all avenues to be open as per rule, as per convention, as per trade cycle. So job opportunity will be open. So the young generation, job seekers, recent passed out candidate, professionals should get ready for appear, for which preparation is required because it is a competitive examination. So there are a lot of advertisement we are getting or we are observing. So according to question bank is prepared, use a number of questions. After participation in the question bank, then correct answer will be also available. Thereafter all of you will get the opportunity for appearing mock test also, so that you can judge your level by yourself. So everyone is requested not to lose the opportunity. Buy the test series at a reasonable rate. It is very economical and question bank is very beautiful. Everyone can prepare themselves and go through the question bank, buy the question bank and go through practice and mock test. We have a lot of good wishes, got good result. And also we'll give more good news day to day regarding job news, etc. We will be touched with all of you. And also I am concluding now with a request to subscribe to my channel, and just after my finishing my declaration or news, one slide will be available, so all information will be available readily